It's the softest thing I've ever felt in my fucking life. Alright, calm down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So, it's been a while since I made a video and we're just not going to talk about it. So, yeah, I've been real busy and I just haven't had... Start again, shall I? I just haven't had time to film. That's about it. Anyway, today we have a Drop Dead haul. They had this mad as fuck sale and they were advertising it and I think everyone went a bit crazy for it. Everything was selling out. It was very stressful. Usually like their t-shirts are like £30 or like £40. Their sweatshirts can be like £40 to £50, maybe more. Like their stuff is like on the higher price range side. Whether you agree with that or not is up to you, but I can't afford their full price stuff. So when I saw that they were having a sale, I was like, okay, I'll have a look. I'll bite, you got me. And everything was really fucking cheap. Like it was actually mad as fuck. Let me just get the receipt. There's no piss in receipt. Anyway, the whole order came to £30 and I got a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, 2 masks, gloves and a pair of stickers. Now, considering that a sweatshirt you can literally buy full price for like £45 and my whole order came to 30, including shipping, I was pretty fucking excited. Like it was mad as fuck. I was like, hell yeah. I can't afford Drop Dead stuff full price. I'm not made of money. So I think these gloves were £5. They had like things in tiers. So it was like £1, £5, 10, either 15 or 20, 25, 35, and then 50 or something like that. I think I glanced at the 50 or 25 or 35 tiers and I was like, I can't really afford that, and I also like I want to look at the cheapest stuff. So I looked in like the £1, £5, £10 stuff and these were in there and I was like, how have these not sold out yet? So I got these. Luckily I did, because when I went back on they were completely gone and I was like, hell yeah. Next thing I got were these stickers, pack of stickers. I said pair of stickers, but I've cut that out because I don't want to be here looking like an absolute idiot. This alien girl. So I don't know what these characters are, but I feel like I've missed out on something. I feel like it's a series they've done or something. So yeah, that was one of the stickers. This one and this one, which is kind of the reason that I bought the pack. The masks were really cheap, they were like £1. Some of them were selling out really fast and then some of them were just like, it was almost as if they had like unlimited stock, and now when you go back on the website they're giving them away with every order. So I feel like these you can just get at any time. I don't know. Don't hold me to that, because if they're gone, if you go to the website and they're gone, please don't blame me for that. So I got this one. Peace sign and the, I don't know what the symbol is, but you know what I'm trying to say? You know what I'm trying to say, right? So this one, and I've tried it on and it's really, really comfortable. But this one is my favorite. It's like all pixelated and they're like praying at this like altar thing. Now I'm gonna have to wash this now, but it's just so cool. Like, I love it. There's some fabric ones that are really like suffocating and these are really nice. So yeah, they're also really like good material. I don't know what material they're made out of, but they're really good material. So that's definitely my favorite out of the two. Just give me 2 seconds. I thought about chugging it and then the thought of that actually made me want to vom. Also, they stamp every paper thing. So that's pretty cool. Also, I love that it's in a paper package. Wow, I opened this like a psychopath. Whoa. Okay, well this is not what I thought an extra small would look like. It's very wide. Wow, the back is so cool. It didn't say it had anything on the back. So again, this is in an extra small. This is the print on the front and this is the back. This is really nice, and also the t-shirt quality is really, really nice. I'm so glad I got that. I love that. I also love that the whole thing came in like a big recyclable package. Okay, my coffee's like about to be cold, do you know what I mean? Like lukewarm. Oh. What? That's the softest thing I've ever felt in my fucking life. Alright, calm down. So it says, if lost, come dance with us. Holy shit. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my god. What is this made out of? This is the softest thing I've ever felt. I know when I put it on, I'm just gonna love it. And yeah, that's basically it. I love this to death. This is my new favourite thing in the entire world, and I could literally sleep on this. So yeah. Anyway, that is all the things that I got from Drop Dead's sale. It doesn't look like a lot, but it was a lot for me. For 30 quid, that is a lot. Probably would have cost like, the sweatshirts go for 45, the t-shirts usually go, am I okay? The t-shirts usually go for 30, so we're looking at like 80 or 90 pounds for like an order, plus shipping maybe it would have been free. And I got it for 30, so, you know, maybe they're getting rid of old stock and it wouldn't have been that much. I don't know, but I'm really, really happy that I got some stuff in the sale. Let's move on to some other stuff that I've actually kindly been gifted from some brands on Instagram. There's this really, really nice brand on Instagram called Mellow Spazz. And here is one of the t-shirts that they gifted me. If I can unravel it. Can I? No, I fucking can't. Here it is. Look how fucking cool that is. So it's the hear no, speak no, see no. I don't know what order it's in, but you know what I mean. With these monkey skeleton boys. And it's just really fucking sick and I love it. I got it in a size large, I believe. Can't see the tag. Brilliant. Yeah, it's in a size large. So yeah, I really, really like this one. The next t-shirt is so cute. So it's this adorable little t-shirt. I got this in a size small, so I wanted to have like some variety of sizes. I like to get some different sizes just so I can like change it up a little bit. So this one's in a size small, and this one says, tell your secrets to the night, with these little skeleton like dogs or wolves or something. And it's just so fucking cute. Also the t-shirts are really nice material, and yeah, they feel really good. So this is really adorable. I love this t-shirt. The other one I tried on yesterday, so I'm just gonna go get it. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? Did anything happen? No. So this t-shirt is in a size small again, and this is probably my favourite out of all of them. This one says catastrophic failure. It's just so fucking cool. Like, all of these t-shirts are so cool. So it's got a little cat on it, obviously a skeleton cat, and I think it's just press the button to blow something up. So that's pretty sick. And yeah, I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. So yeah, this is probably my favourite t-shirt out of all three. It's just so fucking cool, and like I said, the print and the quality is really, really nice on all of them. So yeah, thank you very much to Mellow Spazz for all these t-shirts. Then I got a really nice package from Skydance. So they sent me this blue skirt. This blue plaid skirt. It's really, really cute. So it's like a navy blue, and it has like light blue, peach, yellow, and like a dark pink running through it. And it's just so cute. It'll be really nice to pair with like black clothing, for like an e-girl look or like a grunge look or something like that. So I love this one. And then there's this green one, which is probably my favourite. So it's got yellow, red, orange, blue running through it. And yeah, it's pleated and yeah, it's in a size small. Did I say that? It's in a size small. And it's just really cute. So I'll have fun styling them. There's this mesh burgundy top, which I haven't opened yet. It's in a size extra small / small. Hello. It's so cute. This is really nice quality as well. I really, really like this. Hello. I'm so sorry. Has like a little high neck kind of thing going on as well. Yeah, that's really nice. And there is a dress somewhere. It's in my bedroom. I'll be back. So this is the last thing from Skydance. It's a little like skater skirt. Skater style dress. And it has Fallen Angel on the front with these little short sleeves and like a square neckline. You know, skater style. What? Skater style skirt, but it has pockets. A lot of dresses don't have pockets, so I would definitely recommend this one because I don't see a lot of dresses have pockets really. I don't see a lot of anything have pockets really. But yeah, this is really, really nice. It's really nice quality and it's very flowy and light. So yeah. Okay, I think that's it from me. If you guys like this video, then give it a like and a comment and subscribe if you'd like to. You can also dislike the video if you like to as well. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!